Hey guys, this is Azad and today I'm back with another interview problem which is the rupees 500 note puzzle. So this is a very important problem. So this problem has been asked in many software developer interviews as well, and it has been asked in UPSC exam interviews. Okay, so the problem here is there is an S1 shopkeeper and there is another S2 shopkeeper. Okay, and both of them are selling, let's say, vegetables. Okay, and there's a lady which comes and she bought some vegetables from S1. Okay, so the lady will give rupees 500 note to this shopkeeper S1, and shopkeeper S1 doesn't have the change for this 500 rupees note. So what will happen? He will give this rupees 500 to another shopkeeper which is S2, and S2 in return will give him 500 rupees notes. Okay, so now he will give 400 rupees notes to the lady, and the vegetables whose worth is 100 rupees. Okay, so now after some days S2 realized that the note that S1 has given to S2 is fake. Okay, so S2 will give this note to S1, and S1 has to return rupees 500 to S2. So you need to find out what is the total loss that S1 has to face. What people generally think, that S1 has to give rupees 500 to S2, and he has given vegetables worth whose worth was 100 rupees, so he has a total loss of rupees 600. Okay, but this is actually wrong. So correct answer is rupees 500. So how is this possible? So let's try to solve this problem. Okay, so the let's say let's take up some, let's say S1 initially is having 1000 rupees. Okay, and S2 is initially having 1000 rupees. Let's say they are having 1000 rupees. Now lady will come and give 500 rupees to S1, and S1 will give that 500 rupees to S2. Now S2 is having total plus 500, total 1500 rupees. Okay, and he will give 500 rupees to S1, so this 500 he has lost. So S2 is having again 1000 rupees, and he has got 500 rupees from S2. Now he has to give 400 rupees to the lady, so he will have 100 rupees only. Okay, so he will give 400 rupees to the lady. Okay, now again what will happen? S2 will realize that the note that S1 has given to S2 is fake. So now S1 has to give 500 rupees to S2. Now what S1 will give? S1 will give 500 rupees to S2. Okay, so S1 will give 500 rupees, and these 500s will included will in these thousands, so he will not have another 500. Okay, so let's say initially S1 was having 1000 rupees. Okay, and S2 was having 1000 rupees. Now S1 is having this 500 rupee and this 100 rupee, which S1 has gave him in the form of 100 into 5 notes of 100. Okay, so now S1 is having 600. Okay, and S2 is having 1000. Okay, because this 500 was a part of this 1000. Now uh, you can say he has lost 400 rupees, because initially he was having 1000 rupees, and now he is having only 600 rupees. But he has also given the vegetables whose worth is 100 rupees, so he has lost 100 rupees also. So the total loss of S1 is equals to, initially he was having 1000 rupees, and now he is having 600 rupees, so total is 400, plus he has lost 100 rupees, so it is equals to 500. Got this? So the solution of this problem is this, that so whatever is the value of the note, So let's say the lady initially gave him 1,000 rupees note, okay, and the worth of the vegetables is, let's say, 100 rupees, or it can be 200, 300, it doesn't matter, but whatever is the value of the notes, that will always be the answer. Okay, because you know he is actually giving the 400 rupees of H2 and not from his own pocket. So I think you guys have understood the solution, so try to think about the solution, and if you have any problem, do write them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video.